Assalamu alaikum. Today we are in Souq Waqif. Souq Waqif is the most famous market in Doha city. Hi everyone, look at me, I am in the choo-choo train. It is deemed the first place to explore and enjoy shopping by tourists. Souq sells traditional garments, spices, handicrafts. There are many types of pets: parrot, hare, tortoise, and many more. There are many traditional things we can buy here. It is also home to restaurants and shisha lodges. There is many traditional food selling we can buy for us. Thank you everyone for watching our video. Like, subscribe our channel. Bye bye.